Hi, this is Mrs. Hosmer, and today we are going to do a lab on aching muscles. How much work does it take for a muscle to become fatigued? Okay, so you're going to read this, but of course I'll read it to you, and then when you're on your own you can read it. Muscles. When we exercise or do work, our muscles get tired. This is because of a buildup of waste products in the muscles. Our muscle cells can contract many times in a second. When muscles contract, they use food and oxygen. The more muscles are used, the faster they need to be supplied with more fuel and oxygen. So the heartbeat rate and breathing rate increases. Producing extra energy without oxygen causes a chemical waste product called lactic acid to accumulate in the muscle cells. This buildup of lactic acid makes our muscles slow down and become exhausted. Okay, so materials you're going to need for the lab: string, a small weight or rock, and don't overdo it, it's just for the weight on your finger, a stopwatch or clock with a second hand. Okay, so just how they have it tied to their finger, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take the string, tie it to a small weight, something that doesn't weigh a lot. Number one, you're going to cut a piece of string about 15 inches long. Tie a weight or a small rock to one end of the string, the other end tied to around your finger. Use the same finger for all 5 trials. It says, with a partner, count the number of times you can lift the weight with your finger in a 2-minute period. You don't necessarily have to have a partner. You can do this on your own. Number 4, wait 2 minutes and repeat step 3 for a total of 5 trials with 2-minute rest periods between each trial. Okay, so you're going to record the data here. Here's trial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of finger lifts in 2 minutes. So keep going every 2 minutes and then tell me how many times you were able to lift that weight. Okay, and conclusions. Could you do more, fewer, or the same number of finger lifts every trial? And what is your explanation for what you observed in this experiment? And you can fill in your answers here, okay? If you like my channel, please subscribe.